Okay, get the camera rolling. No, you're not doing this. What? Fine. Can I have my sweater back? Take it. Oh, how I feel sorry for her. There. I'm gonna be using the camera. Ready? Ready. Okay. You're ready. Hi guys. Today I'm going to be trying to make slime because I have eye drops as a solution, but I don't know if these are the right type of eye drops or if eye drops even work. So if you have that answer, put it down in the description down below. But first let me show you the eye drops so you know. Here are the eye drops. Obviously this is not live, so I guess the answer is going to be at the end. Like at my grandma's house, the search for glue is like unreal. Unreal. So I was looking everywhere in the cabinets, and I went into the basement to see if there's glue. And well, I found some. So yeah, and we're gonna be using that. Oh, this is fluffy slime. And you're gonna be like, what? Where's the shaving cream? Well, if you follow me into the bathroom, there's some shaving cream. Ow. Some shaving cream right here. And if there wasn't any in there, there is definitely some in there. As you can see. I'm doing it on a paper plate because I couldn't find a small bowl. A small plastic bowl, because that's what I was looking for. But there's like plastic plates in the kitchen, more like styrofoam. Yeah. So the first thing you're gonna do is put the glue on there. I'm also gonna add water, so small glue, drops, shaving cream, and mixing materials, and an Lps set, which I'm not gonna be using today. Sorry. So first, let's get the glue. And yes, I am at my grandma's house, so no the drill. I'm just gonna make a small. Oh my god, it is so cold. I said I was just gonna make a small amount of it because I don't know if this is gonna work. But jeez.